The president of CJF America showed up for the first time since facing charges. Troubleshooter Diane Wilson was in court today. And Diane, tell us what happened.
You know, it was a surprise to many because she did show up. Kristen Pico showed up for the first time in court today for the worthless check charges. Now, Pico did have two previous hearings, neither of which she was there for. For one of those, her attorney said she was in the hospital. Employees say they're owed thousands this summer. Pico told me employees would get paid for the months. And for months, we've tried to get answers and an update from her. Today, we asked her once again. Do you have anything to say to all these employees? Trying to get answers from Kristen Pico, the president of the Courtney Jordan Foundation. Kristen, you have promised us over and over again that you're going to pay these employees and talk to us, and now you're not. You have nothing to say to any of these employees and people who have filed lawsuits against you and criminal charges? Pico not answering any of our questions as we left the Durham County Courthouse. Pico faced a judge for the first time on worthless check charges. The hearing did not last long as the attorney who was representing Pico asked to withdraw. The reason, her new attorney said in court, she was just hired this morning.
We do a motion to continue just so I can actually get reports and other discovery regarding this case and move forward.
The judge granted the request for the case to be continued. The worthless check charges stem from Crystal Graves and Brianna Thompson, former CJF employees who worked for weeks for the Durham Foundation and have these paychecks that they say the banks wouldn't cash. Since July, we've investigated CJF America. The foundation ran summer camps in Durham and Raleigh, and more than a dozen workers said they didn't get paid. Besides worthless check charges, Brianna Thompson and her sisters, who worked as camp counselors, also filed a civil lawsuit against CJF and its executives this week for unpaid wages.
We worked so hard. I love being a camp counselor. You know, I love the kids. So we did our job. We felt like we did everything that was expected of us. We only deserve what's owed to us.
Pico is not talking today. Her attorney only saying,
"No comment at this time."
Pico's attorney also added she is always innocent until proven guilty. Her next court date for the worthless check charge is in November. Authorities say the founder of CJF, Courtney Jordan, and its CFO are facing criminal charges of felony conspiracy and obtaining property under false pretenses. Those warrants, though, remain unserved. We have tried to get a response from CJF for more than a month, but no one has responded. So we will keep up to date on this because these employees, former employees, still really want to get those paychecks they're owed.